Hi everyone! Hopefully you're doing well. I am Kathy from digitizings.com. After many requests, today we'll share details about Ricoma CHT2-1508 8-head embroidery machine. But before we start, if you need embroidery digitizing, vector art services, or even digital marketing solutions, check out digitizings.com. Services start at just $5 with fast delivery, free edits, and secure payment options. Common problems and troubleshooting. Ricoma CHT2-1508 8-head embroidery machine. Introduction. Welcome to our video on common problems and troubleshooting for the Ricoma CHT2-1508 8-head embroidery machine. If you own this machine, you know it's a powerful tool, but like any embroidery machine, it can have issues. In this video, we will discuss the most common problems and how to fix them quickly so you can keep your embroidery running smoothly. Thread breaks. Frequently, one of the most common issues with any embroidery machine is thread breakage. If your thread is breaking often, here are some possible reasons. Incorrect thread. Tension. Check the tension settings. If the tension is too tight, the thread will snap. Try loosening it slightly and test. Damaged needle. A bent or dull needle can cause thread breaks. Place the needle and make sure it is installed correctly. Poor thread. Quality cheap or old thread can weaken and break easily. Use high-quality embroidery thread for better results. Incorrect thread path. Make sure the thread is following the correct path through the machine and tension discs. Needle breaks repeatedly. If you're experiencing frequent needle breaks, consider these troubleshooting steps. Wrong needle type. Use the correct needle type and size for your fabric and thread. Improper hooping. If the fabric is too loose or too tight in the hoop, it can cause needle breaks. Design issues. A dense or poorly digitized design may put too much strain on the needle. Try adjusting the design or using a stronger needle. Needle hits hoop. Ensure that the hoop is positioned correctly and not interfering with the needle's movement. Bobbin thread issues. If your bobbin thread is not working correctly, check the following. Incorrect bobbin tension. If the bobbin tension is too tight or too loose, it can cause thread breaks or looping. Adjust the bobbin case tension slightly and test. Dirty bobbin case. Lint and dust can build up in the bobbin area. Clean it regularly to avoid issues. Improper bobbin installation. Ensure the bobbin is inserted correctly and spinning in the right direction. Machine skipping stitches. If your embroidery machine is skipping stitches, follow these steps to troubleshoot. Replace the needle. A dull or bent needle can cause skipped stitches. Change it and make sure it is inserted correctly. Check thread path. Improper threading can lead to skipped stitches. Rethread the machine carefully. Adjust presser foot. If the presser foot is too high, it may not hold the fabric properly, leading to missed stitches. Check fabric and stabilizer. Some fabrics require additional stabilization to prevent skipped stitches. Machine not starting or stopping midway. If your Ricoma CHT2-1508 won't start or stops unexpectedly, consider these solutions. Check emergency stop button. Ensure it is not engaged. Verify power supply. Make sure the machine is plugged in properly and there are no power interruptions. Look for error messages. The machine's display may show an error code. Refer to the manual for specific troubleshooting. Check thread sensors. Some machines stop if they detect a thread break. Make sure the sensors are clean and functional. Conclusion. We hope this troubleshooting guide helps you solve common issues with your Ricoma CHT2-1508 8-head embroidery machine. Regular maintenance and proper setup can prevent many problems. If you need further assistance, consult your machine's manual or contact Ricoma support. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below with any questions. Happy embroidering!
If embroidery digitizing is on your mind, trust digitizings.com to deliver accuracy. Digitizings.com offers the best online custom embroidery digitizing and vector art services. We provide high-quality work at the lowest prices with quick turnaround. We can convert any logo, design, image, or artwork into your required file format. Pay easily with PayPal or a credit, debit card. If you need our services at a discounted price, please feel free to contact support at digitizings.com or visit the website digitizings.com. Thank you for taking the time to watch my video.